more adventurous things should be reserved for the more adventurous people. So, my first day exploring Meghalaya, and I am out in the East Khasi Hills in the small village of Laitmawroh, and I got a guide today, Mustar.
Yes, hi.
He's going to be taking me to see some beautiful waterfalls here that are not quite as popular as a lot of the other waterfalls here in Meghalaya. They're just kind of developing, I think, their tourism in this village, and he's one of the first guides they have. So I'm curious to check out this beautiful waterfall that I've seen pictures of, that I think is not quite yet on the established tourist track, but I think eventually, based on how beautiful it looks, it'll get there.
Only a few tourists they come here.
Only a few tourists coming so far. So I'm like, how many have come so far, would you say?
Maybe I think 20.
20, only 20, that's it.
Only on that.
So I'm like the 21st person to do this.
Yeah.
Wow, I feel pretty cool. I'm getting in on the ground floor.
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. Do you like being a tour guide?
Yeah. Huh?
Do you like being guide?
Yeah.
Cool. It's a beautiful village.
Yeah.
What type of crops? What type of
This is potato. Yeah.
potato? Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Oh, you grow them in like beds like that. So you guys eat a lot of potatoes, huh?
I think 80% people they live here in the village.
Yeah.
They plant this.
80% of people are living off potatoes here.
In this village.
Do they grow rice here too, or no?
Huh?
Rice?
No.
Mainly potato. Potato.
They farm only potato there.
They only farm potatoes. Okay. Well, I like potatoes. Aloo, you know? Aloo gobi. It's one of my favorite dishes. So he was just telling me that so far only 20 people have been to this waterfall. They just discovered it a couple weeks ago, like 3 weeks ago. And then I guess they formed a committee of local guides in the village and posted it on Instagram and Facebook, and people have been coming. Meghalaya tourists have been coming. I am the first Westerner, but hopefully not the last. So do you have a lot of snakes here? Really? Not too many? That's good. So you can't really see, but we're going down there. This is like a sheer cliff right here.
Yeah.
So cool. I like it. Whoa. Oh. Don't fall. Don't fall off the sheer cliff.
Yeah.
Like a fence to keep the cows in, and then we can still walk over it. Those are some mountain cows. Yeah, I bet the grass tastes better over here. Look at that cow just chilling right next to this massive cliff. Sheer drop off. Huh. It's a different type of cow.
Yeah.
I think some of the more popular treks here in Meghalaya, like they've kind of built steps or something. I think some of the route bridges have like stone steps. So they don't have that here, and I hope they never change it. I hope they keep it like this, because this feels much more adventurous than just walking down a bunch of steps. I mean, if they put steps in, sure, more people could access it, but man, I like how it's natural like this. So yeah, you got to deal with some slippery spots and some stuff that, you know, not everyone can come here, you know, and that's okay. It's okay if not everyone can come, because sometimes the more adventurous things should be reserved for the more adventurous people who are in shape and have good fitness, and you know, that's just the way it is. So So it's a bit colder here than where I've been, Rajasthan and some other places. Yeah, the mountains and the forest. And driving here from Shillong, I had to put on all my warm clothes because I only brought one pair of pants and one long sleeve shirt and my raincoat. But now I'm starting to warm up quick. Wish I wore shorts. But I think, I wasn't sure if I was going to swim, but I think I'm going to be pretty hot by the time I get there. So probably a nice refreshing swim will feel pretty good. Oh, I love these dramatic rock outcroppings with the vines coming down and the ferns. This is my jam right here. Yeah, up there is the viewpoint. Okay, cool. Oh, this is cool. Oh, this is cool. Oh, yeah. Yeah. All right. Wow. And we go over here. So we go all the way down and then, huh? Oh, beautiful. This is so beautiful. Epic. I've been wanting to come to Meghalaya for so many years, and so far this is exactly what I pictured, exactly what I hope to see, and we're just getting started. Am I a good trekker?
Yes.
So far?
Yeah.
I only almost fell off the cliff once.
Yeah. Okay. So how only you found this view here?
This view is amazing. So beautiful. I bet this is difficult in monsoon, huh? It's even more slippery.
Yeah,
Could you even get there in monsoon, you think?
yes,
Possible?
this one.
It's possible?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Why they recommend a guide. I mean, in monsoon, this is crazy. This is probably a river right here. But yeah, it's good to have a guide for this. Because, yeah, if you lose the way. So the trail isn't always this obvious, huh?
Yeah.
Sometimes it might be easy to lose the trail. So Mustar was just telling me that before they discovered this waterfall, only a couple weeks ago, that this area was basically primarily just used for where they got their firewood from. And then he said 3 weeks, right? Yeah. 3 weeks ago, they came across this beautiful waterfall. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? What a surprise. What a treasure. I just saw the biggest bee I've ever seen in my life. It was like the size of I don't even know. It was like that big. It was massive. I don't know how that thing flies. It's so fat. Wow. I wish I got that on camera. That was literally a bee this big. I think we're getting closer to the water. I can hear something. But just wanted to say, if you come out here, definitely take your garbage out with you. No plastic. Take it with you. Leave this place pristine, because it is pristine. I've seen a few things I got to take on the way back, but I'm talking to you. You take your garbage out of here. You don't leave it here for other people to take. And if I find out people are trashing this place, don't make me come looking for you. During monsoon, if it's too rainy, go into there, make a fire, spend the night. You should charge tourists extra. Tell them, oh, we have a special guest house for you.
Yes.
It's part of the tour. And then you put them there overnight and say, okay, we'll see you in the morning.
You can drink this water.
Spring water. Yeah. Wow. I'm okay. That's beautiful. Well, you know it's a difficult trek when your guide goes, oh. Oh man, that's funny. See, like this part, I wouldn't want to do this part in monsoon right here.
Yeah.
It's be just a muddy river.
the women when they came here, they say this is my last time because they scared away. It's too hot.
He said a tourist woman that came here said it's too hard for her, and it's her last time coming here. And I think I know which woman it is because I think I follow her on Instagram. But I'm not going to air her out, but if she sees this video, I know who you are. Don't be scared. Yeah, I mean, just go slow. It's not so bad. Yeah, you just got to watch your feet, and you know, there's a little exposure in some spots, but so far so good. This is pretty awesome. If you come to Meghalaya, man, I haven't even got to the waterfall. This part is just thrilling. So all you Maharashtra trekkers out there thinking you're badass monsoon trekkers, come try this in monsoon maybe, or maybe not. Just try it dry first and then try it in monsoon, because some of these mud trails, these dirt trails, like in monsoon, you ain't getting up those, man. You are not getting up those in monsoon. Another rock shelter here. That's cool. Oh yeah. Yeah, we are almost there. It looks like there's a steep drop right before we get there. Cool. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm stoked because I didn't know this, but apparently there's multiple falls and two with really good pools, but it makes sense. I mean, this is like a canyon. Could probably run this from the top and have an epic day, but wow, this is sweet. Oh, there we go. There's a little exposure. Oh man, epic. Look at that water. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh, nice gap. Oh, down there? Nah. Whoa, oh, this is gnarly. I think I might put the GoPro away for this part. Because look at that. Oh, man. I think we're almost to the first one. Wow, this is amazing. This is awesome. It's exactly what I wanted. I mean, come on, man. Look at this. Look at this. Woo-hoo. Meghalaya! Cold, but it feels really good after that hike down. I wish there was a pool at the top, because I know going out I'm going to be working up a big sweat. And there's another one. This is just the first one. Still got a one down there. Oh, look at that. That is real cliffy like right there. You don't want to slip there. Look at that. I guess we gotta do that. Oh man, this is so beautiful. Look at this little cave. Let's go check it out. There's a hike in the U.S. that reminds me of this. It's called Black Canyon of the Gunnison in Colorado. And there's just a river at the bottom. There's no waterfalls or pools, but I remember feeling the same way climbing out of that as I feel climbing out of this right now. Bring plenty of water, and you have to be in shape. Don't try to do this if you're not in shape and you're not experienced, even with a guide. I mean, you really, lots of exposure, slippery rocks, loose rocks, leg breaking holes, plenty of tripping hazards. Got to use your hands a lot. You really got to be fit for this. So it's a beautiful place, but heed my warning if you come out here. I'm going to put Mustar's WhatsApp number in the description. If you come here, you need a guide. It's absolutely worth it. Off the beaten track. They just found this place 3 weeks ago, so Get in on the ground floor. Be one of the first 50 people to visit this amazing place. What an offbeat mission we have unlocked here. And then they have these other spots they guide trips to, but these are more popular. And this one is low right now, right? This one's too low. So you can come to the village and there's plenty of options. These are lesser known because they just found it. So come on down. I'm gonna put Mustar's information in the video. Come for adventure. Hit him up on WhatsApp, and thank you. That was a great adventure, man. Such a great way to start my time. Safe journey to you, man.
You too.
Infamous.